sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows like an orphaned refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the...
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another brand new week of vlog. Last week I didn't vlog, but this week I am. Today it is March 9th, Thursday, and I'm currently sick all over again. Got this stuffy nose, a runny nose. I've been blowing my nose every 2 seconds. I think it's sick. It's the sickness season. You know, because we didn't have a bunch of winter this year, so now everyone is getting sick, including myself. So now I'm actually just heading out. We're going to be going to the train station. Got to go pick up my aunt. My aunt is coming down for a week, so we're gonna go and bring you guys along with us. So I'm all dressed. Let's go. It's beautiful outside. Maybe that's why I got sick, because it's nice, and then it gets cold, and then it gets nice, and then it gets cold. It's cold season. So let's go. Yesterday was so bad. Yesterday was so windy. You couldn't even walk without being blown away. And I was doing papers yesterday, and my, it was just blowing so much. I'll show you a video. It's not like the horizontal, but it's vertical. So I'll show you a video of yesterday's wind storm. And I am back, so I'm at the train station waiting for my aunt to arrive. They're coming this way from London. Last time I spoke to her, she said she was in London around 2:45, so she should be here soon. 2:45 to 3:30 would be about an hour. About 45 minutes, let's just say. So she'll be coming this way. So I'm probably gonna go and get a drink or maybe something to eat. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Subway. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day of vlog. Today it is Saturday, March the 11th, and I'm currently at the Glasshouse. I showed you guys this a few months ago when I came here for the first time, and I had done a review on their fudge. That's right. If you guys still haven't remembered that, I'll leave those links to the fudge reviews in the description. But I'm at the Glasshouse once again with some family. I'm actually just recovering from sickness. Yesterday I didn't vlog at all day yesterday. I was extremely sick. I couldn't really do anything, so today we decided to vlog. So let's go.
Sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows like an orphaned refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the hunger's here to stay until the day when there's no memory of what we used to be. Golden sun.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day of vlog. Today it is Sunday, March the 12th, and I'm currently at Superstore. Yesterday I didn't really vlog much. We went to the Glasshouse, and that was pretty much it that we did. That's pretty much interesting to vlog. Yesterday I released my, not yesterday, but Friday I released my McDonald's food review on the sausage egg McMuffin combo. So if you guys still haven't seen all of this week's food and drink reviews, I will leave all those links in the description, so feel free to check them all out after watching this entire vlog. But today we're going to Superstore just to browse around, see if there's any decent sales. Seems like it. So let's go in. We're already in. And I am out of Superstore. Got a lot of groceries. So couldn't film inside because there's too many people. But just want to let you know that there's pretty good sales in Superstore today. So now we're heading home. And I am back home from a Superstore. So I'll show you guys what I got. I got these southern fried chicken, and they look like almost like drumsticks, and they're fried chicken. Why not? For $8.59, I think I got like 2, 4, 6. I think it was like 8 drumsticks for like $9, and they're already cooked, so they make a great lunch. So I got that. I got my girlfriend some cereal. She loves the cereal, so I got her these. I got 2 bags of chips that were on sale for $2.98 for the Ruffles. And I got my girlfriend the Doritos. She loves her Doritos Zesty. So I got her bag of chips, and I got my regular Ruffles. A few other things that I got. Oh, and I went to the Dollar Tree after. And I picked up this new pepperette that I've seen, and I wanted to review for you guys. And it's this Waterloo County Turkey Pepperoni. So I'm wanting to review this for you guys. And of course it's near Easter time, so you have to get yourself some miniature eggs. Thumbnail. So you have to get the miniature eggs for Easter. So we went shopping today, Superstore. We went to Dollar Tree. Oh, and I had to go to Food Basics to get some milk. So we had a fun day shopping. So they're announcing this snowstorm. I'm not sure if it's going to actually happen, but I'm hoping it does, because I'm totally waiting for a snowstorm before spring. Now, I want to end winter with one gigantic snowstorm. So I guess they're supposed to have this snowstorm coming from the northeastern of the United States, coming toward the southwestern Ontario to the Great Lakes. So 15 to 20 centimeters, which is good. To me, I like that. That's not a lot, but enough for me to say that at least we had some sort of snow. I think the last time we got snow was back in December. So December to March, that's about 2 months and a half almost. So yeah, it's an early Christmas. It's almost an early birthday gift for me. My birthday is March 21st, and my 9 years on YouTube. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back for the last day of this week's vlog. Today it is Monday, March the 13th, and we're having our first major snowfall storm, you guys want to call it, of 2017. It is just coming down. I am happy. I am happy for once. We're finally getting some snow. Can't really see much, but it doesn't matter as long as you're enjoying the snow. That's what really matters. I'll show you guys the snow that we've gotten so far. That's the snowfall we got so far. Look at all the roads. It was a notification that I had received over the weekend. I think it was like Friday. They said that Monday we were supposed to have this snowstorm and how we were supposed to get over 15 to 20 centimeters of snow, which I have nothing against. I'm kind of happy that we finally got this snowstorm, and it's a storm that's coming from the northeastern of the United States. Thank you, U.S. Thank you, the United States of America, for this nice snowstorm. How about you guys? Is it snowing in your area? Let me know in the comment section below on where are you guys, and are you guys getting this snowstorm? And it is just coming down to a lot of snow that we've gotten so far, covering all the cars. I love this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at that thumbnail. This is a beautiful thumbnail. Lots of snow. Lots of snow, lots of snow, lots of snow. 30 to 35 centimeters would be nice. But I know we're only getting 15 to 20, which is better than nothing. I can live with this. Afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day for vlogging. Yesterday was supposed to be my last day, but I thought I would extend it till today. Today it is Tuesday, March 14th, and we got the aftermath of this snowstorm we got yesterday. It is still snowing outside. Windy, blowing and drifting snow in Chatham, Ontario, Canada on this windy Tuesday afternoon. Can you guys all see this? Do a thumbnail. It is windy. Woo! I'll show you guys around. I can't even keep my eyes open. It is so windy, and the snow is just blowing. Not a lot of snow, but to me this is a lot. Enough for me to say I'm happy. We finally got something. What about you guys? What is the current weather in your area for Tuesday, March 14th? Let me know in the comment section below. So I think I'm going to wrap this vlog up, but I hope you guys did enjoy this week's vlog. If you guys did, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my post notification so when I upload a new vlog, you guys get notified. Links to my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and cooking videos. So until next week, peace out. It is cold, but it is nice. I like it today. Nice and cold. How's the temperatures in your area? Beautiful day in Chatham once again. Look at the nice blue sky. What's the weather in your area? Well, it's gonna rain in Chatham, as you guys can see. Dark gray sky. A very windy day in Chatham today. You hear this? The wind is blowing. I was like literally getting pushed by the wind while I was walking. Nice. I'm really happy now. Look at this snowstorm. I just got done vlogging. I love this. This is my weather. How do you not love this weather? This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love this. Nice snow. I think I'm gonna cry. A lot of you guys have always asked me the same question. What camera do I use for vlogging or my reviews? Well, the answer is the Canon Vixia Mini X. Fortunately, they don't make them anymore. That's what's said.
Sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind